What's up with the stock market? What's going on with the Dow Jones, the S&P, and the Nasdaq? What's going on? What's likely to happen moving forward? Let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video. Trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There is no guarantees of making money in the markets, and trading is the most hardest thing you'll ever do, and it takes a long time to become a good trader. So this video is just educational only. If you're struggling with your trading right now, then click on the very first link in the description and get on a free training, the 7 universal laws to become a master trader that will boost your success, consistency, and confidence without spending a decade trying to figure it out. Click on the very first link in the description right now. Let's have a quick look at the stock market here, and I'll share with you what I'm seeing right now. Now, did I just get a few unsubscribes? I don't care. I've been through a lot worse. Man, I've literally faced my deathbed about 10 years ago when I went through cancer. Doctor gave me 6 months leave. So a few people unsubscribed because I don't like my funny business because I'm too whatever. Let's go straight into it. So, stock market, what's happened with the Dow Jones? Dow Jones is still showing weakness, isn't it? Like, this is the last couple of months. It's been the last 3 months. Low, high, low, high, lower low, lower high. This is likely to start to send us to the downside. We are, stock market is looking weak because we're rallying back up. We can see the Dow Jones is continuing not be able to rally back above these resistance levels here. So it's looking really, really weak. Now, looking onto the S&P 500, you can see something very similar but slightly different, where we actually rallied back above these resistance levels through here. And now we're just like slowly calling up. So I do expect to see this market to start to pull back and start to pull back quite hard. I'm in the market. Now, the stronger one out of all of these markets is indeed the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq has completely almost made it new highs. It may even make new highs. I don't know. But one thing I do say is that when I look at the Dow Jones, to me the Dow Jones is the leader, the biggest stocks in America, all into 130 stocks. The Dow Jones is the leader. And when the Dow Jones starts to do something slightly different to the S&P, i.e. show more weakness, that's what the Dow Jones is doing. That's the reason why we can see, that's why I believe we're going to see a lot more downside to come in the markets. Let's have a quick look at the transportation average. Look at the transportation average once again as well too. What do we got here? We have this low. We made this lower low, and now we're just rallying up with this weak little buying move. Look at this selling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've had like 5 up bars or at least 4 up bars, and it's gone nowhere, just sideways. So this tells me we're likely to get a bit of a downward movement in the markets there. QQQ, the IWM, which is what? Let me just make sure I got this one. The top 3,000 stocks through there, and let me go have a look at the So this is the top. This is the top 3,000 stocks, top 2,000 stocks. Yeah. So the top 3,000 stocks. Same thing as the S&P, but the top 2,000 stocks, that's actually rallied up quite high, hasn't it? It came back down to its support level, held it, and now it's actually rallying back up. But we're still creating this significant lower high, I believe, very, 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 very shortly. So, which way would the market actually break? And the VIX is obviously where it is right now. I believe I can see a lot more upside here. To me, out of all of this, the Dow Jones is the leader. To me, the Dow Jones is always the silent little thing there that's telling us, and I believe by looking at the markets, the Dow Jones are telling us we're likely to see some more downside coming real soon.